Like your hand fighting, right? And you get this. So, one of the things I can do from here, there's a lot of tech variations on this, but they're all basically cracking. I'm going to reach for here. As I tell you, as I turn the body, put pressure on your elbow. Traditionally in Lama, right? Take a side stance for me, right? Where you chun, right? And I do chun to deflect it, and then I come in. And you can see, right? I'll put pressure in. This is also what we call cow, which is shouldering, which in Tai Chi is a big deal, shouldering, right? So whether I do it from here, or I do it from here, or remember we were doing the pummeling, right? Okay, so you can do it here. Sometimes what happens is you drop from the knee. And what we can do here is you can then step forward a little bit. And since you can't move with the leg, if I didn't block the knee, just the fact that I'm here would make him want to walk over this way, right? Now again, I'm not even using this hand, right? Notice I didn't even use this hand. I just went like this one. So if I did this, right, that would make him definitely want to move. But if when I do this, I block the knee, you can't walk anywhere, right? So I might go like this one. This is cracking. Again, I gotta know. That's why I want to be here, right? I don't want to. People do all these throws where like they're straight and they throw somebody straight backwards. And the other way. Even if somebody's not a great jiu-jitsu person, human beings by nature would bring their legs up to the fence. So if you notice what I'm doing here, right? Am I going in too straight?
No.
Where am I going? Sorry. Let's see where I am. And it's my favorite thing in the world. Yeah, my body. You don't always tell. Yeah, let's just start there. Yeah, I was trying to be nice.
Yeah.